Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro available on your iPhone? And I already installed the application what Xiaomi offer for the earbuds. If we open it, we can see list with supported devices. We need to click at earphones, and right here we have it. So our model is Buds 5 Pro, and we need to find Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro, because there's Redmi Buds 5 Pro also, but there's different earbuds. And now we just scroll down, and as you can see we have Redmi Buds 5 Pro, but this is not okay, and we have it. So if this earbuds here at the device list, it means that it's available for your earbuds, and my short answer is yes, it's available for your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!